Alright guys, come with me today as I hunt at the Home Depot for a new refrigerator for my home. I'm looking, I'm searching. If you got one, let me know, but I'm here. Oh my god, that food smells so good. Alright, my home bees, my pan bees, I am in the Home Depot and I'm looking for a fridge. So y'all, there's so many refrigerators. I don't really know where to start. Golly. Oh, this is what I'm talking about, Samsung. I'm not even going to look in there because I already know what that's about to be about. This John say night, not twice, bro. Oh, I didn't do that. Y'all know I didn't do that. That's why I record, because I don't have time. Y'all know I didn't do